What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a woman, and it's like she is opening the door in the house, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into this fun vibe in the Halloween party. And as you can see here that this woman also hugging, let's say we can call it as the Casper, the friendly ghost. Isn't that cute, right? How to create this? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, we can remember that this Casper cartoon has already accompanied our childhood because this ghost is really cute and also friendly and also has the kind heart, for example. So let's say if we would like to create this picture as if that we are inviting him to come into our party. So guys, to do this photo editing or the AI photo, here we will use the Nano Banana, and here I am also accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to do this photo editing in your another favorite AI, then don't worry guys, because it is still okay, and I will also share you the prompt to create this photo, and you can try it by yourself into your version, and you can please let us know if this prompt also work for you guys. And if you would like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't worry and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can continue to scroll down and click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, you can continue to click this plus button and upload the file. And for example, I will put this picture and I will put this prompt into this section, and you can simply give this prompt a screenshot, and also you can simply copy it too from the description box. Well, basically the prompt would be like this: transform the attached photo into the vibrant and fun Halloween party scenes. The person in the photo is now happily hugging a realistic friendly Casper the ghost, as if that the Casper has just arrived as the guest at the party. Casper is depicted in a realistic yet friendly ghostly form, translucent, clearly visible, and also with a distinct hint of turquoise throughout his body, giving him a unique ethereal glow as he embraces the person. So this is the look as the Casper, for example. And also the entire house environment is filled with the festive and cheerful Halloween decorations, such as the colorful garlands, one spooky cutout, and also balloons, the subtle and warm tone lighting that creates a party atmosphere. And also there should be other guests in the background, subtly blurred, enjoying the party, and the overall composition should be cinematic and realistic with the vibrant colors and ultra detailed texture, conveying a joyful and welcoming Halloween celebration. So this will be the prompt, and you can continue to click run, and let's see the result in this section, guys. Well, this is actually the same prompt that I used before to create this create this picture. However, by this prompt, you can actually get another output, guys. And as you can see that this is the another picture. And if you feel like you need more better result, for example, don't worry, because you can still rerun this prompt to produce the another picture by clicking this rerun button in this section or in this section, guys. So this is the another result. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And again, don't worry to let us know on the comment section if this prompt also worked for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.